we moved to Northeast Philadelphia. I went to high school. There was a guy that I got friendly with. I belonged to a Jewish fraternity. He played drums. I played saxophone and clarinet. Let's have a band. We formed a little band. I was the leader. His father, his name was Joel Schinder. His father, Dave, had a bunch of cronies, great guys that used to frequent a Jewish nightclub on Saturday night. This was nothing but Jewish music. And they had a little band there. And one day his father said to the owner of the nightclub, I want you to give my son a job. He plays drums and his friend plays saxophone and clarinet. Well, it was one of those things where the owner couldn't say no. This was a group of guys that came in every Saturday. And so one day Joel said to me, guess what? We've got a job. We're going to play at the Pie Plaza every Saturday night. And I said, what? I didn't even know how to blow my nose, let alone blow the horn. But we got into that band. The leader of the band had been the conductor of the Arch Street Theater. And I learned to play Jewish music. And we played Jewish music from 9 o'clock at night till 2 o'clock in the morning every Saturday night. And that's where I really learned Jewish. Well, people would come there, they'd have dinner, they would dance. We had all these songs that I had never heard of, waltzes and polkas and mazurkas and even Jewish rumbas and tangos. These were during the Second World War days. Well, afterwards, early 50s.